Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. He was not only strong and brave but also known for his wisdom. All the animals in the forest respected him and sought his guidance whenever they faced problems. One hot summer, the forest suffered a terrible drought. The rivers dried up, and food became scarce. The animals grew restless and began arguing over the little water and food left. The elephants claimed the waterhole for themselves. The deer fought over the shrinking grass patches, and the monkeys hoarded the fruits they could find. Chaos took over the once harmonious forest. Seeing the tension rising, Leo decided to call a meeting. From the tiniest ants to the tallest giraffes, all the animals gathered under the great banyan tree. "My friends," Leo began in his deep, commanding voice, "if we keep fighting amongst ourselves, none of us will survive this drought. We must find a way to share the resources fairly." "But how, Leo? There isn't enough for everyone," cried a worried rabbit. Leo paused for a moment and said, "Let me tell you a story. Long ago, when this forest faced a similar drought, the animals were divided, just like us now. They fought and hoarded until the resources were gone, and many perished. But one wise bird suggested a solution. The bird proposed that all animals contribute something to a shared stockpile: water, food, or even labor. The stronger animals, like the elephants and buffaloes, would dig a new waterhole. The monkeys and squirrels would gather fruits, while the smaller animals would help store food carefully. Everyone worked together, and soon they had enough to survive the drought. The animals learned that unity and cooperation could overcome even the toughest challenges. As Leo finished the story, the animals nodded in agreement. They decided to follow the wise lion's advice. The elephants dug a deep waterhole, while the monkeys climbed high trees to fetch fruits. The deer and rabbits searched for hidden patches of grass, and the birds carried seeds to plant for the future. Slowly but surely, the forest began to recover. The animals shared the resources fairly and worked as a team. By the time the rains returned, the forest was thriving again. From that day on, the animals understood the value of unity and teamwork. They looked up to Leo not just as their leader but also as their guide and protector. Moral of the story: unity is strength. By working together, even the biggest challenges can be overcome.